Hey guys, it's me, Rose Gaming, and today we're going to be playing Survive the Killer. Let's get started. Okay, so we gotta find the fuel. Let's go find fuel, and hopefully we don't get caught. Uh-oh. Where is he? Okay, let's go over here. I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, let's look for the fuel. Maybe it's in there? No. There's a vent, though. Is this thing right here? Maybe we can go up here? There's fuel. Fuel! We found it, guys! Now we just gotta find an exit and stay right by there, so when it opens in 3 minutes, we can escape. Okay, let's go here. Where's he? Maybe the killer's coming up. I don't know. Oh, wait, the killer's downstairs. Okay. We got. Where is he? I'm very tiny. They can't see me, but they can feel. See the fuel back. But that's okay. They won't notice. They won't look down. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go, go, go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Look for exit. Okay, guys, I don't see one. Go downstairs. Don't be an exit upstairs. Okay, maybe find the vent. No, that's not gonna work. Oh gosh. Here's an exit. Okay, but I'll hide somewhere in here then. Okay, perfect. Right here. Ah, I'm stuck. Okay. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay. The killer died! That means he left. I earned 5 coins for this round. Oh, I didn't get the heal. But my killer is the clown. Happy the clown. I'm gonna save up my money. I'm gonna try. Oh, I got the rare. I'm gonna buy. Maybe we should get the. Maybe we should buy Siren Head. Yeah, let's buy Siren Head. I am a Siren Head, Siren Head, Siren Head. Okay, but I like Happy the Clown better. I just wanted to unlock him, that's all. And then I got a pink knife. Okay, let's go pick. I'm level 24. That's amazing. Okay, so we got 20% on the fuel for the rocket, so I guess we need 80% more. Angel, let's see what killer she has. The werewolf. Ooh, scary. Okay, I know where all the fuel is in this map, so we're gonna win definitely. And look, we're almost level up, so that's great. Okay, let's go through the back door. Already found fuel. That's how easy it is. So yeah, guys, by the red house and Survive the Killer, there's a fuel right here. Yeah. And this time, this will be uploaded at 12 o'clock, I think. It should be uploaded by then. Yeah, let's run away. Because I think it's where it spawns. I don't know where it spawns. I'm gonna go up here. Okay, go up here. Okay. Where should we hide? I'm gonna hide in this one. That's not too obvious, right? Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Tails are in right? Yep. Okay. Right, wait here. Zoom out. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. See right here, guys. Better wait. I love my outfits. I like being an elf. It's cute. Okay. Level 24, and we're almost to the next level. I'll get 10 coins. That's good. Okay. Well, yeah, wait 3 more minutes, it says. Okay. You got fuel too, so then if someone else gets it, if the other people get it, we'll be at like 80. We'll need like 2 more. Oh my goodness, it's windy. Did you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but that was really windy. It snowed too, guys. Check out your window. It's very windy too. My house like crap. Oh, did you hear it? Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Okay. I'm kind of scared right now. And I'm cold. Okay. Quiet. Banana is in school right now. Can you touch downstairs? Can you touch? Oh, the killer left. Oh. What's the feel at? 20 still? Oh. Let's check this girl out. The doctor. Check the doctor out. Click on her. Dr. Animali. No weapon forged just yet. Comes back next time. Oh, so we have to collect that thing from the rocket. That's okay. Let's check the chat. Alright, I don't know what they're saying. Ah, stuck. My mouse is stuck. Hello? Okay, Fairgrounds, Woolmarsh. Ben. I made it! I made it, guys! Yay! Okay, guys, we've got to be very quiet. We're the clown. The clown. He's so scary. He can jump very high, too. And once you give me neck, I go, shoo, shoo, shoo. Respect it. I'm not going to be cheating. Because then you know over there, then you open it. Okay. So then go over here. Jump. What's up there? Check over here. Oh, I see somebody. Yeah. What? It won't let me grab him. There we go. Got him. Ah, I can't jump. Okay. Oh, to the left. Something happened. Ah, I see someone. Get him. Come here. Got him. Get him. No, they got away. Okay, guys, let's get him. I think he's easy. Because he's slow. Get him. Yeah. Okay, that guy died. There's a guy over there. Yeet. Oh, there's two of them. Dude. This guy's hacking or something. Okay, guys. Banana here. We got the red scream. We got the new killer. Okay. YouTuber. Hello, viewers. Say to them. And then she's a little nervous because she's shy. She's a little shy. Okay, guys. Let's look over here.
I think one's in the backyard of the Red House.
Let's look then. Let's look over here. Like right there. Let's go in here and tell him. Shush. Let's see if I find her in the maze. Shh. Can't see one here.
We're gonna find you.
We're gonna find you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, found you. No one in there. No one's in there. Okay.
Let's check downstairs.
Bye.
Let's check downstairs. Maybe we'll go.
He's trying to get closer because he could die. Get closer.
Oh, he's going to some. He's going to some.
Shh, no, he's not. Then he would have healed by now. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yodel. Let's see if he can die.
He died.
He died. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
That was creepy. Shh. Okay. Oh, I see one. I see one.
I saw.
Got him! We did it!
I used my
We need a couple more. The other people might be selfish. Let's see, it's my friend. Died.
dive by myself.
Bye bye. There you are. Got him. Let's let him die. Shh. Okay, she died. See if this guy dies. Die. Alright, two left. Two left.
Up to the left.
Wait, I think I saw.
I told you.
Get him. Got him. Got him. Oh, only one escaped. Ah. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to press that subscribe button and like if you liked it. And turn on notifications if you want to see more. And join the Rosie Squad today. And you start code Rosie when getting Robux. Thank you, guys. Bye!